Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which of the following elements are the sub-elements of the MIME mapping element in a deployment descriptor? File. Each correct answer represents a complete solution. Choose all that apply. Option A. Exception type. Option B. Error code. Option C. Extension. Option D. MIME type. Option E. Servlet class. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Extension. Option D. MIME type. Question 2. John works as a software developer for Vantech Inc. He writes the following code using Java. Public class v class extends thread, public static void main. String args. v class vc equals new v class. vc. Run. Public void start. For int k equals 0, k less than 20, k plus plus. System. Out. Print ln. The value of k equals plus k. What will happen when he attempts to compile and execute the application? Option A. The application will compile successfully and the values from 0 to 19 will be displayed as the output. Option B. A compile time error will occur indicating that no run method is defined for the thread class. Option C. A runtime error will occur indicating that no run method is defined for the thread class. Option D. The application will compile successfully but will not display anything as the output. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. The application will compile successfully but will not display anything as the output. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.